Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up, which means we have to open the entire tune-up and get to the brew unit. Once we got to the brew unit, we clean up everything inside the brew unit, re-lubricate the O-rings, replace the O-rings as well. Replace the O-rings, re-lubricate the infuser, re-lubricate the entire brew unit, deep clean the shower screen, replace the O-ring of the shower screen as well, and just give it good service. When we put it back in there, we descale this machine, and then we do some cleaning cycles to clean up the spouts of the machine as well. We also did a little bit uh, with the word extra. We had to adjust the grinder, this one that you see right here. That one that you see right there. We had to disassemble the entire thing, deep clean it, and then readjust it to the machine. And yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test this side of the spout. We're not using milk, we're using milk cleaner, which is going to clean up this whole assembly. We also deep clean this whole assembly itself. We disassembled it entirely and deep clean it with our milk cleaner. It was really in bad condition, as there was some sort of cheese around the entire thing. It was just really bad. We're gonna redo that again later, and we're gonna increase the volume of the milk so we can see it coming out of the spouts. Right now, as you can see, the flow coming out through the spouts of the cappuccino side is nice and steady. Excellent color coming at the bottom as well. Looking great. For us, liquid, perfect. Looking great. As you can see, the water temp sensor definitely works. We're gonna do one mid portion so that way we can test the frother. Perfect. As you can see, it comes out in different forms. If you want more foam, you just turn it to this way. If you want less foam, you turn it that way. As you can see, it's a really nice foam for coming out from the frother. Gonna cancel it there. Looking excellent. Now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. This espresso shot is set up for 2 ounces. The Jura recommends 1.5 ounces instead, but I'm gonna leave it at 2. Perfect. Now water is being getting pulled by the water pump right here, which is getting rerouted all around to the thermoblock, and then going to the brew unit, which is extracting the coffee right here into the spouts. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color on the espresso shot as well. Really good crema. Working excellent. So there you have it, Jura E8 service and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.